Hey, welcome to How To in a Few. It's that time of year again. Time to get the lawnmower ready to go. Neighbors already cut their grass and they're going to get a little bit irritated if I don't follow suit relatively quickly behind them. So today we're going to get our lawnmower going again. And the chief issue is that the battery, although it was on a trickle charge maintainer all winter, apparently we've reached the end of its life. So we're going to go ahead and replace it with a new battery so that we can get off to the lawnmower races. So here's what we're looking at. Flat tires. We've got a belt that's off the track. That happened on the last cut of last year, and I said, you know what, I'll deal with it in the spring. And now I have to deal with that and a lot more. So tires are going to have to get pumped. Belt's going to have to get put back on. I probably need to put a new belt on. This one's probably stretched too far. But first we need to get it cranked because we don't want to push it all the time. But I will try to push it out into the sun. I think I'll have an easier time changing the battery out there than in the storage shed. Alright, so here's our battery. We already took a trip to Walmart last night while we were out that way to get it. One thing that I just noticed, check this out. 2010. This battery, April 2010, this battery is approaching 8 years of age. That's crazy. So I do not at all feel bad about my purchase. That is a Walmart EverStart brand battery. Same type that we are going to replace it with. Alright, looks like this screw is not currently holding it down. Alright, let's go ahead and undo our battery. We will start by disconnecting the negative. I'm not going to bother telling you the sizes because I actually have one metric here. I just tried them until they fit. But if I had to guess, I'd say it's 7/16 on one side and 3/8 on the other. I'll go ahead and leave my bolts in there. One of these is already out or never was reattached. Let's see if we can do a better job on the way back in. There we go. Alright, so I have the bracket now screwed back in on both sides. It's a little bit, doesn't look quite right, but we're going to go ahead and go with that. It's covering the two caps for the acid. That's probably why one was in before and not the other, but hopefully this will work. I think we will rethink the connections here too. Gonna be a little different than last time. Due to the plastic kind of being in the way, I'm going to flip these. Alright. I'll just crank these down just a little more. Alright, battery looks pretty stable. I think we'll go ahead and give it a crank now, see where we are. Alright, so there we go. Not quite ready to cut yet, but we're on our way. Battery's changed and lawnmower is starting. That's the first step. So there you go. If you need to change your battery in your lawnmower, that's how you do it. Not much to it. Make sure you don't throw away that old battery, because if you didn't notice, when you bought the new one, they charge you $10 to $15 for the old one. So save that, bring it back with your receipt to wherever you got it, and you'll get a little bit of money back, maybe to pay for that first tank of gas to cut your grass. So hey, if it helped you out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and as usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.